Good morning. Have you ever felt what is skill required to clear any interview? See, there are multiple people in my community also. They used to ask, what exactly I should focus to clear this company interview? What exactly I should focus to clear this industry's interview? So, if you are a fresher or if you are experienced, stay tuned with the complete video. Stay tuned till the end. And let's discuss the job winning strategies, three job winning skills to clear any round of interview anywhere in the world. Number one, you have to check your career durability. Now, what is career durability? Career durability means the mix of skills, the mixture of multiple skills. Let's talk about soft skill. Number one, soft skill. So, what exactly included or what exactly required in soft skill? Number one, you should be open minded. Number two, you should be adaptable in the environment of any kind of job uh, organization. Adopt, adjust, accommodate. And you should know how to do a teamwork. You should know how to collaborate with others. I'm talking with the people who are working in an organization and they are looking for the job change. This is for an experienced people. Number two in durability, your hard skills. So let me give you one example what is exactly comes under hard skills. Say let's suppose you are an accountant. You are an accountant and you want to apply as an accountant in any of the job organization. You should know how to take care about the taxation. You should know how to take care about the laser. You should know how to work on tally or the new softwares which is in the market. These are the hard skills, your domain knowledge. It is very much required, your hard skills. This is the number two in career durability. Number three, you should be ready to learn or open to learn technical skill as well. I know there's some technical skills are not required, but nowadays this era is technical era, and in this era everybody needs some bit of knowledge of technology. If you are working from home, you should know about Zoom, Skype, Teams, Webex. So these are the technology. You should know about WhatsApp, you should know about Telegram, you should know about Skype. So these are the technology you should know. So some bit of technical skill also required if you are completely non IT professional. And the last one, you should be growth mindset. You should be having the mindset which is totally compatible with the growth. You should be optimistic, and if you are a growth mindset person, it will be very easy to get the job, or it will be very easy to adopt, adjust and accommodate anywhere in the world, not only in job. And now let me talk with the people who are a student, who are fresher and who are experienced also. But the main 70-30 or 80-20, you can say 80% people who are student and fresher and 20% people who are inexperienced. This point is for you. Number two, you should be harmonizing your LinkedIn profile. Customize your LinkedIn profile in a way that it should completely aligned with the current trend. You should be focusing on your about section, summary, featured, recommendation. These are the section which is first go any recruiter used to check. Let's suppose I am opening any LinkedIn profile. I'll go ahead and check what post you have interacted, what post you have posted, what post you have communicated. what experience you have, what knowledge you have, who recommended you, what is your about section, what is your summary section. So these are the sections which is very important for customizing your LinkedIn profile. Right now, the last one, which is most important, you should be focusing on the research as well as you should be focusing on the interview. So we have spoke too much about interview and research. We will not talk. You, if you want to check, go ahead and check other videos from this channel itself. And I'll repeat, number one, your durability, career durability. Career durability involves your soft skill, hard skill, technical skill, and the growth mindset. Number two, your LinkedIn profile optimization, LinkedIn profile customization. And the last one, you should be ready for research, you should be ready for taking any challenge which comes during the interview. That's all from my side today. I'll see you tomorrow. Congratulations, you have completed April, May, June. 3 month continuous consistent video. Now 90 days challenge has been completed and I have enjoyed too much. I'll keep on supporting you with more videos, more tips and more knowledge whatever I have. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed the channel, go ahead and subscribe the channel, like and share the video if you feel that it is useful for somebody. Thank you so much. I'll see you next day tomorrow sharp at this time. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.